Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but guys, I needed a break. Things happen. But don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and that top bell, ding ding, so you can get notification of my video. Hey guys, guess what? We getting ready to come up with like a girls camping club. So we're gonna turn some SUVs and some temporary camping vans, SUVs, tiny home, RV, condos, townhouse, whatever you want to call them. So, any suggestion? This is a nice size car here. My friend gonna use her car. The seats will go up like that, and they'll go way up. This is a lot of room in this car, in this Buick. The windows are tinted nice all the way around. And look at all this room. It has a lot of room. What I'm going to do is probably, let's see, put this seat down here and put that seat down. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's go around. It's pretty tinted, but you can see a little bit. So we're gonna have to put some more tint of some kind of blackout. Yeah, the seat will go down. Look at that, fold right down. So what I'm thinking, since it's like temporary, just fold this seat down here and make kind of table just to sit here, to make it long enough to just go over this table here, this seat here I meant, and use in this center here, it'd be like little storage. I'm trying to figure it out. And here, I'm trying to figure out, it's going to be temporary. Let's see. What can we do? Give me some ideas on there. Let's see how you let this up. Here. And you got storage on the here. That's nice. It's kind of deep. So let's see, this is a good idea here, right here. You can make a kitchen here. It's just stove, propane stove here. Put a little sink here. See, the water would have to be flat laid down. Then you can close it up. I have to think about that. And let's see. Oh yeah. Here. Already some shade here. See, how do you let this down? Some way you can let this down. I had to figure that out. Okay. All right. It's nice, right? Oh, I got it now, since I let that down. Gonna move this make the bed here. We'll make the bed here that way. Yes. Make the bed on this side. That way, you really don't have to make a platform or anything. Just put your mattress here or whatever foam. Yes, put the bed here. And you can use these cup holders and stuff. Make a little temporary shelf here. Okay, I'm getting it. It's coming to me. It's coming to me. If I make the bed here, I need to put storage here. I'm just looking at this though. It's pretty nice. Making me think. It's about as big as my van. So let's see. It's a nice room in here. This seat will go down. I like how the seats just go down and then the headrest just fold down too. This is a lot of room. And I'm sure I could, if I need to take one of the seats out, I could. I could take one of the seats out if I want to. I'm sure I can. Let's see what's on the floorboard. So guys, put in the comments some suggestion about how would you set up this SUV to a temporary camper when you want to go out on the weekend. Make it it's nice color. It's kind of big. It's big, but it's nice. I like it. I can do, yes. I like where my imagination going with this. So guys, help me out. And don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, that top bell, ding ding, so you can get notification of my video. Cause guess what, guys? Van life, yeah, woo, nomad life, yeah, woo, woo, happy life, yeah, woo. I want to thank you all for all the well wishes for my dad. He's doing good. So thank you very much for all your prayers. Like this wood. Got a deep cup holder here. Got storage here. Storage there. Okay, let's take a look around here so you guys can give me some suggestion. This is just going to be a temporary camper for the weekend. They're going to start. I convinced them just to start camping on the weekend. Just give it a try. Just give it a try. Just let me fix it for them so they can be comfortable. And we're going to try to get up this club. Group of ladies that go out on a weekend. They're going to try weekend. I hope it all work out. And I hope they enjoy themselves. And the first place we're going to go, we all decided to go to Florida. Yes, we did. It's nice. I like this SUV. I like this Buick. It's nice. It's very nice. Very nice. I think what I'm going to do, guys, and make a template or get some tape and put tape down here. Put the tape where I want things. I think I'm going to start doing that. Because, I don't know, some people can draw their, draw it on a piece of paper, their vision. But me, it's all in my head. It pops up in my head. I can see it. I can see all the layouts, different layouts. That's why I changed my van a lot. I see different layouts in my head. So guys, I need your help. I want your help. Put it in the comments. And in what, 2 days or 3 days, I will reveal the finishing product of this van. Yes, I will. And it already got a tow hitch, like a hitch here, so. Oh yeah, it's nice. And I like this. Let it go down. And you can use this as a cover, block the sun. And then it's up high. That's the one thing about it I like. It's up like high. Yes. Hey, I got to get back in the groove of thing. They said, get the groove on. Whatever, how they ever say it. Yes, I got to get back into it. I miss you guys. I miss you a lot. Hey, Miss Carol. I miss you and I love you. I thank you for all your support and all you do for us seniors, ladies, and everybody. Van life, nomad life, RV life, just regular people. I like your, thank you for your support of all of us. And I like to say, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and that top bell, ding, ding, so you won't miss any of my videos. So for now, bye, 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 bye. Love you guys.